This dance is called My New Life. It's a 48 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance. Starting off on our right foot with some lock steps. So we're going to step the right forward, lock the left behind the right, step the right forward, brush that left. Remember, on these brush steps you're just contacting the ball of the foot with the floor very lightly. Repeat that with the left foot leading. So you step the left forward, lock the right behind the left, step the left forward, brush that right through. So that section once more, off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Rock forward on that right, recover your weight back on the left. We're going to travel back with some toe struts. So step your right toe back, lower the heel. Step your left toe back, lower the heel. Right toe back, lower the heel. So that's 3 toe struts going backwards. And remember, when you're doing the toe struts, your toe doesn't lift off the floor. So your toe goes down, heel goes down, there's no bouncing on that. So that last little section then. Rocking forward on the right. 7, 8. Forward, rock, back, strut, back, strut, back, strut. Let's add that to the top. Off on that right foot. Step locks. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward, rock, back, strut, back, strut, back, strut. Add on to that a slow coaster step. So step the left back, feet together, step the left forward and hold. The next couple of steps are also known as chase half turns. So we're going to step forward on the right, pivot ourselves on our toes, half a turn to the left, weight ends up back on that left foot, step the right forward, that's your chase half turn, and hold. Do another one of those with the left foot leading. So step forward on the left, pivot yourself, turn to the right, step forward on the left, and hold. Just to finish this little bit off, a couple of prissy walks. And rather than just walking forward, your prissy walk is effectively where you cross over at the same time. So we're going to do a couple of these with some holds in between. So we're going to cross the right over the left and hold, cross the left over the right and hold. So that last section of steps then. We've just done 3 toe struts coming back, our weight is on our left, so we're going off on the weight on the right, going off on the left into that coaster step. Here we go, 7, 8, coaster, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, walk, hold. Let's put it all together up to there. Off on the right, lock steps. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward rock, back strut, back strut, back strut. Coaster, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, step, walk, walk. Okay, I'm not going to always say the hold, but there will be a pause in the chant. So once you've done those prissy walks, we're effectively going to be travelling to the left. Now the first set of steps, you're hardly going to move. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step the left very slightly to the side and the right over the left again. So it's our cross-side cross, but it's almost on the spot. Add on to that some toe struts going to the left. So we're going to step our left toe to the side, lower the heel. Cross the right toe over the left, lower the heel. Repeat those toe struts. Left to the side, lower the heel. Cross that right over, lower the heel. Just to finish the dance off, rock to the side on the left. As you recover your weight, make a quarter turn right. Step forward on that left, and hold. End of dance. Start again. So that last little section then, starting with this cross-side cross on the spot. Off on that right foot. 7, 8. Cross, side strut, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, rock, turn, step, hold. Okay, let's put it all together. Lock, step, off. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward, rock, back strut, back strut, back strut. Coaster, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, step. Walk, walk. Cross, side strut, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, rock, turn, step. So that's your dance. But it is a formal dance. I think the music is a little bit faster as well, but it's a lovely piece of music. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Lock, step, off on the right. 7, 8. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward, rock, back strut, back strut, back strut. Coaster, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, step. Walk, walk. Cross, side strut, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, rock, turn, step. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward, rock, back strut, back strut, back strut. Coaster, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, step. Walk, walk. Cross, side strut, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, rock, turn, step. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward, rock, back strut, back strut, back strut. Coaster, step, step, pivot, step, step, pivot, step. Walk, walk. Cross, side strut, cross strut, side strut, cross strut, rock, turn, step. So that's your dance you walk through. Let's give it a go to some music. Lovely little dance that one, I hope you got it.